everybody knows that overlanding with an ice chest really sucks. All of your stuff gets wet, and that's not a fun time. So one of the first things you're going to look for is a fridge freezer to put in the back of your truck or your SUV. And Setpower reached out to us and they said, hey, we've got this new RV45D Pro 45-quart fridge and freezer that we'd like you to try out and tell us what you think. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of one of these today, and then the second one is actually going to be one that we're going to give away to one of our subscribers. So be sure to watch to the end of this video to learn how you can win this exact second fridge freezer down here below. All right, check it out. This is how it comes packaged. Can you see top down? Really nice packaging. All right. Ooh, there it is. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, nice. Let's see if I can. Oh, look at that. Nice. This is a perfect size. Dude, that's a good size. What do you think?
It's cooler sized.
That's a good size.
Yeah, it's perfect.
That's pretty cool. Okay, so on the exterior, it looks like it has, you've got your DC power here on the side. You've got your fuse, which is cool because you don't have to open anything up to replace it if for whatever reason it goes out. You've got your display here on this side. This is going to be for the large, and then this is the small. And then over on this side, okay, that's kind of a bummer. I was hoping that it would have a plug on both sides, but it does not.
But it opens from both sides.
But it does open from, well...
That side?
That side. And then...
No, close it. Oh, look, does that... Can you,
oh, no way.
But,
You could absolutely, like, cut vegetables and stuff on that?
you could put a drink on it. you can hold a cocktail.
No, I think you could cut, like, tomatoes and stuff on it.
It'd be nice if
Absolutely.
it had something here to fold down to make that practical, like a support beam. But it opens from both sides, look. Oh, no, I'm wrong.
No, you're not wrong. You're not wrong.
It just
You're
looked
not
like
wrong.
it did.
It does. But you gotta do it like this.
Oh.
And then like this. If I can get the thing. So these are actual like metal hinges, which is cool. Dude, you could totally cut something on this. You could cut oranges or whatever. You absolutely could. And then look at this. So this is the divider. And if you want, you could have just one large space.
Which, let's be honest, is usually how we do it.
That's what we do. Yeah, we just have one large space. But I'm wondering, okay, that doesn't fit there. So if you take the divider out, you are going to be keeping it at home. That's a cool fridge.
Yeah, it's nice.
So this
It really
handle-
is like the perfect size.
So one thing that I thought was cool about this one is the fact that you can take this off completely. So I'm going to take that off because it has this, it's got wheels. Look. See? So, dang, those are like serious.
The off-roading cooler.
Yeah, they're serious. So it has these wheels that you can attach somewhere.
Look here, look here, look here.
Oh yeah, okay. There you go. So you use this guy to attach said wheels, and then it is like super easy to move.
Take to the beach.
Yeah, if you're taking it to the beach or something.
Or
and also Setpower
to the
does
bonfire.
make to the bonfire. Setpower does make a battery pack for this, so you can have the battery pack that runs the fridge. And then let's see. Yeah, so this comes out like this, and then boom, you're off to
Get creative.
the bonfire, or I don't care where you go with it. Okay.
You can go with it. That's the
Pick
point. You
somewhere
can
to
go places with it.
We're going to take it off-roading, so we don't need this. So I'm actually going to grab the tools to take that off. Make sure you get that Ryobi in there. Nice. Okay, so that's great. There's a lot of these that have this kind of setup, but you can't take it off. And so it just adds extra space around it, like when you're trying to put it in the back of your truck. So
It's less Tetris friendly.
Yeah, you gotta be able to pack all this stuff, you know, when you're going overlanding. And so the fact that you can take it off is great. So some features of this fridge are, let's talk about the price. The price as listed right now on Setpower's website is $399, which actually is pretty good for everything that you're getting here. A lot of other fridges on Amazon can go $600, $700, even some of the Domestics can get up to like $800. So $399, like we're cheap when we try to get all this stuff. We try to do as budget as possible. So I feel like $399 is a great price for a 45-quart fridge freezer that actually has 2 zones. Also, Setpower says that this can go up to a 40-degree angle in any direction. So I think that's what, like, is that 40 degrees?
That's 45, close enough.
So like this?
Yeah.
So think about that, right? Like when you're out in Moab and you're going up some super, I don't think we've ever actually gone up anything that's steeper than 40 degrees. So, and if you're on your side at 40 degrees, you're probably rolling. So 40 degrees, I feel like is awesome. And a lot of these fridges don't actually have that capability because of the way that the compressor is set up. So 40 degrees for off-roading is perfect. Another really cool feature that I liked about this one is the height. The height of the Gladiator bed is only 18.5 inches, I think. And I think the dimensions on this one are 17.5. So if you have a Gladiator and you want to be able to run it with your tonneau cover, check this out. Perfect.
Ta-da!
That was cool. It was like a stop motion. So then if you want to get into it, you know, you have... Oh, I need to flip this. I put it on the wrong side. There. And if you need to get into it, boom. There's all your delicious treats. I'm going to be honest with you. We're probably just going to fill it with margaritas.
Almond milk for coffee.
Oh, yeah, almond milk. We're probably going to just fill it with margaritas and almond milk, but, you know, you put your food in it, your delicious camping food. It'd be great. And you can just open this back flap and change the temperature if you needed to, which is cool.
Ta-da.
And I'm sure some of you really handy people could probably build a little slide for this thing. Actually, I think Setpower has a slide, but I'm not sure if it increases the height on it or not. So finding a fridge that fits underneath here for the Gladiator is pretty difficult. A lot of them are, you know, like 19 inches, and then it's like it doesn't quite cover it. So I really like that about this Setpower unit. All right, after you get it set up in your truck, it's probably a good idea to work on getting it powered up. So this is everything that they include in the box with the fridge. So this just looks like warranty information. Oh, look, stickers.
Ooh.
That's cool. Setpower. I feel like we should put the. I feel like we should put this. It looks like it's actually got a bunch of stickers. I feel like we should do the penguin for sure. Yeah,
I like this one.
We're gonna put the penguin. Should we put him right in the middle so you can see him like this? There we go, penguin. All right. So you've got your brochures, your warranty, 3 years on the compressor and a year for all other parts. It's kind of standard. And then, wow, a lot of power cords and screws and stuff for the wheels, I'm assuming. And
Spacers?
These are, oh, a handle replacement. That's cool.
Oh.
So yeah, so if the handle I mean, this handle's not gonna break, dude. That's a super strong handle, but if it does, they give you a whole nother one. So
It's metal.
yeah, that's cool. Or is this for the other side?
Well, look.
It is. That was dumb. Thank you for joining us on the world's worst review.
So it has.
Well, anyway, I'm not gonna put the other handle on. I might actually even take this one off because this guy is gonna just live in here. That's for you to decide if you.
Did you scratch the truck?
This is amazing. Let's look at the power cords that comes with it.
Moving on.
Okay, so first one. Okay, so this is a 12 volt where you can plug it into your cigarette lighter. That's great. And then this one here is, oh, interesting.
So would this be useful for like Wranglers that have this in the back?
This is a weird setup because it doesn't have. I mean, it's not a bad setup, right? So like, in order for me to power this from the 120 in the back of the Gladiator, I need to. It has this adapter for 12 volt, so you can plug the 12 volt adapter in there, plug it in here. Let's fire it up. Oh crap! I don't have a key.
Again, dumpster fire.
Okay. That's it. I said we're not done, dude. Come on inside, please. Nice. Okay. So this has two modes. It's got the Max and the Eco mode. And with the Eco mode, it's supposed to save energy, so it can last longer on whatever power source you're using. And then if you put it to max, it will like cool it down super fast. So right now we'll set it to, I don't know, 35 degrees. Boom, that's super simple. So a lot of these that I've used in the past, they have this like key code combination where you have to like press and hold several buttons at the same time. And then you have to press a settings button in order to get to a particular like side temperature. But this one, I like the fact that it's super simple. So you just have your right side or your main full compartment temperature. And then if you put your divider back in, boom, we've got dual. So now we can say the large compartment is 4 degrees and the smaller compartment is 41 degrees. So it's kind of cool if you have like some popsicles or something you want to take with you, or any other kind of like frozen. Sometimes we'll take like frozen breakfast sandwiches and stuff when we bring the RV, and then we can like make them in the microwave. A side note on this is that I don't think that there is any setting for like connecting it to an app. So all of the settings are just on the back of it right here, but I'm totally happy with that. That's
almost easier.
That's cool with me. Yeah, it's easier. Oh, do you have a phone? No. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, yes.
Stay there.
Luxurious.
No, I thought...
Push!
Whatever. All right.
Do your outro while he's there. Ah, he's escaping.
So much fur on it now. Dang.
You're so popular, Pasha.
All right, guys, our review could have gone a little bit smoother, but thank you for sticking with us. Let us know what you think in the comments of the Setpower RV45D Pro. We think it's perfect for our needs because it fits just under the tonneau cover on the Jeep Gladiator, and it's just the right size to carry those few things that we need for our short overland trips. All right, guys, so if you want the opportunity to win this exact fridge, I'm gonna send it to anyone in the continental United States. I'm not going to send it to Hawaii. I'm very sorry for all of our Hawaii subscribers, and I can't send it out of the country. But if you're in America, what you have to do is go into the description, and we're going to have a link for Setpower's website where you need to enter in the code that will be along with the link. And then in addition to that, I need you to go to our Google Forms that I have in the description and put your information in so that we can easily do a drawing to see who's going to win this. So make sure to subscribe and definitely hit the notification bell icon, because we don't just do these kind of videos that could have gone better. We also do cool off-roading overland videos where we get out and explore everything that off-roading has to offer. So thank you so much for joining us on this review, and we will see you on the next one.